Embark on an epic adventure and transform your Minecraft world into the grand line with the incredible One Piece mod. First, ensure you have Minecraft Java Edition installed. Then, you'll need to install Forge, which is essential for running most Minecraft mods. Head to the official Forge website and download the installer for your Minecraft version. Run the downloaded Forge installer. It's a straightforward process. Just select Install Client and click OK. Once it's done, open your Minecraft launcher. You should now see a new profile for Forge in the version selection drop-down menu. Select it, and then click play. This will launch Minecraft with Forge enabled. With Forge ready, it's time to get the One Piece mod itself. Search online for One Piece mod for Minecraft, your Minecraft version, and find a reputable download site. Always download mods from trusted sources to keep your computer safe. Once the mod file is downloaded, open your Minecraft game folder. You can usually find this by pressing Windows key plus R, typing %app.a% Minecraft, and hitting enter. Inside, look for a folder named mods. Drag and drop the downloaded One Piece mod file into that mods folder. It's that simple. Now, launch Minecraft again using your Forge profile. You should see the mods button on the main menu, and upon entering your world, you'll discover a world transformed with your favorite One Piece characters, powerful devil fruits, and exciting new challenges straight from the anime. So grab your crew, set sail, and experience the grand line like never before in Minecraft.